Yo, attention all you car dealerships. I was just talking to my buddy Nick. He was saying an average week he gets around 6 customers. He gets 6 people that he has to deny for his car loan because they have bad credit and they can't get approved for a loan. Guys, that's just money out the door. Imagine, that's a small company, by the way. I don't know how many you are doing. I don't know what your sales are looking like, but chances are you have a certain amount of people that are coming through your door that want to buy a car like yesterday. They want to buy their dream car, but they get denied because they have bad credit. So attention all you car dealerships, I have a system, I have a turnkey system that's meant directly for you. If you have those people that need to fix their credit, let me tell you what to do right now. You're going to click the link down below. You're going to ask you some more questions because what I have is a complete turnkey white label solution to handle all your credit repair needs. You're not going to have to do anything. You're not going to do any customer support. You're not going to handle any of the actual fulfillment. It's a complete white label agency so that all you have to do is as soon as somebody comes to your dealership and they say that they can't get approved for their car loan, you're going to listen. I can get you approved within 30 to 90 days. All you gotta do is you can waive the setup fee, but then you won't make the initial commissions on the setup fee. But it's $189 to set up, or you waive it for them, and it's $89 a month. And then bam, within 30 to 90 days, their credit will be fixed. All the discrepancies will be off the report, so that they can come back to you, so that those guys can come back to you and they can buy their car. Matter of fact, when you make this offer a little bit more enticing, what I have in place is a complete turnkey CRM. What the CRM allows you to do is once they get their credit fixed in 30 to 90 days, it's to send them more text messages, more emails, and more voicemail drops. Be like, hey, say the guy's name is Bob. Hey Bob, how was, I heard you fixed your credit 30 days later. I heard you fixed your credit. How is it looking right now? Are you ready to buy a car now? Maybe like, no. Okay, no worries. 60 days later. Hey Bob, how's your credit looking like? Are you able to, do you have that 600 credit score? Do you have that 700 credit score that you need in order to buy the car that you want? No, okay. 90 days later. Hey Bob, do you have that? Yes, I do. I finally got it. Sweet Bob, that sounds awesome. When can you come over and schedule a showing with the car that you want to buy? Let's do it now. They pencil you right in and they schedule a showing right for you. Chances are it's not going to take 90 days. Me personally, I fixed my credit. I went up 100 points within the first 30 days. Guys, 100 points within the first 30 days. I had some collection accounts, I had student loans, and I also had some missed payments. 30 days, I went up like 121 points in 30 days. What I'm trying to say, it's not going to take the 90 days. They're going to be in that car within the first 30 to 45 days. Let's just say 45 days. I can almost guarantee that you'll be able to get that person back into the car within 45 days. So what are you guys waiting for? Click the link down below. Let's get you started on this. Let's get you this turnkey solution, this white label to fixing people's credit so that those people that go to your car dealership that can't get the car, I want those people to come back to you. I don't want you just to tell them, shoo. I don't want you to kick them out of the door. Go to another person. Go to another credit repair company that will probably refer them over to a different car dealership. No, I don't want you to do that. I want you to fix their credit. I want you to make commissions off of fixing their credit. I don't want you to have to do anything with that, because I want you to make money and not do anything with that, and I want them to come back to you so that in 30 to 90 days, they'll actually continue to buy a car with you. So if you're interested in this crazy process, crazy system that has you even doing even less work and making more money, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with your boy Blade, and I'll be more than happy to show you exactly how this works and instate it into your car dealership. Click the link down below right now. Don't pass up on this opportunity. Click below. Peace out, guys.